Welcome to Be First to Copy. Today we are going to talk about web development. What is a web development? If we have to say what is a web development, then you can say it the process of making websites we call web development. Websites like google.com, youtube.com, facebook.com or any other website like oksymbus.com. If we make this website, the process we do while making it, that process we call it web development. You can divide web development into two parts. First, the front end. It's like a color, text, images, whatever you see on your device, you can say it that is a front end. So front end development, it's mostly about using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Just remember this, whatever website you see, or simple term if I say, on your phone, on your browser, any website that you open, that is a front end. Because that website's data come to your mobile device and then you see that. And the data comes HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You only see in your browser HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And if you see only that, then it is a front end development. And that's all about front end development. For easy to remember, you just remember that whatever you see on your mobile device, tablet, laptop, anything on your browser, it is a front end. So what is a back end? For example, that's a google.com. If I search hello world, you see this page, this is a front end. It is a front end because whatever you see here, let me show you that. Whatever you see here, it's written in HTML, JavaScript, and you also find CSS code here. So if you see that code, that's a front end. It's not a back end. So what is a back end? So back end involves server side of website. Something that you don't see, that happen in behind the scene. So you don't see anything that happens there. It's all about handling data storage, managing servers, and also for server side there's a languages like how front end have languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the same way, in a back end there are server side languages like PHP, Python, Node.js. In order to become a back end developer, you need to learn all these. So what you don't see, the process that happens behind the scene, we call it back-end development. Apart from these two development, there's another term we use, full stack development. It's involved both front-end and back-end. And that's all about web development. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more content. Thank you for watching, and remember, always be first to copy.